Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you two new features of one of my favorite digital portfolio tools, Spaces. Let's go ahead and get started here. So Spaces is a tool that came out in the middle of the last school year, and so many of you may not have seen it. It has some really great features, including a feature that I call an asynchronous breakout space, also known as a group portfolio option. But the two new features I want to show you right now are the curriculum tags and the activities section. So here's my account. You can see I have my August demo class open here. And I want to start aligning some of my assignments and activities to specific curriculum goals and tags. So we're going to select curriculum goals over here on the right-hand side. Now, if you don't see that when you sign into your account, just open up this little collapsible menu and you'll find it there. Select your curriculum goals. We'll say yes, we want to add sets. And I'm in Maine, so I'm just going to type in Maine. You can see here I could also sort it out by state or province or by school. I should point out here that this is a huge gallery of standards that you can pick from. So there's a good chance that your state, province, or organization has their standards in here. I'm going to pick Maine. And within here, I can pick some others. I'm going to pick here social studies. And I'll say grades 9, 10, 11, 12. And we can see here, here's all the standards. We can read through them. Great. And I'm going to add that set. All right. And so now I have that set. And I can now see there's this little add curriculum tags on any of my already existing assignments and activities. I can also add that to the new ones that I create. Let's add a curriculum tag here. And I can pick the ones that I like. And we'll add those too. And I've now added those into the assignment here. Now, the other new feature in Spaces is something called activities. And we're going to create a new activity right now. And so let's make our new activity. This is in my August class. I'm going to give this to all of my students, but you can see there I could specify just a subset of my students if I'd like. And let's give this one an activity title. Let's just call this one Getting to Know Each Other. In this activity, I would like you to introduce yourself to the group by uploading a picture of something you find interesting and explain why it's interesting to you. Okay. Now, you can see here, I can write 5,000 characters in my description. But what's really neat about the activities is I can turn on my camera here and I can record a video prompt for my students. I could even add to this, record a video introduction to yourself. And students would have that option there to also use their camera. We can record an audio file. We can attach a file, but you can see here, we could also add something from my Google Drive or my OneDrive if I've already written up an assignment or an activity in Google Drive or OneDrive. I can just import it right there. Now let's select a start date. Well, our start date is going to be right now. And our due date, well, let's make this due on Friday by noontime. And let's go ahead and assign that to my students. Now we're going to take a look at how the student will respond to this activity. So here's my student account. I have my demo student signed in here, and he's going to check on his activities section right here and see due soon, getting to know each other. And he's going to click on that, and there it is. There's the getting to know each other. So he's going to start the activity. Get to know me. And you might write something like, I'm Max the dog. I'm just a demo account for Mr. Byrne. Okay. And the student can go here and click on that camera icon. Now, if I do it, it's not going to work because I'm already using my camera for this screencast video. But I could also record audio here. The student can attach a file. Let's go ahead and attach a file. And they can just upload a file here. Maybe it's going to upload that picture. And he's going to record now why he thinks that's an interesting picture. And so here I can upload the audio. The reason my audio didn't work right now is, again, I'm already using it for this screencast video. We can see there my student could have recorded the audio or uploaded an audio file. And then he submits it, and he's done. So those are two new features that are available in Spaces. Check it out at spacesedu.com. It's a completely free service to use, and I think it's a really great digital portfolio tool for you and your students. To learn more about it, click the link in the description down below, where I also have some videos on how to get started setting up your first classroom in Spaces. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.